In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto screenshots in Time Doctor. This process is relatively simple and can be completed in just a few steps. So, let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, open your preferred internet browser. You could be using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other of your choice. It doesn't really matter. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Time Doctor. This will bring up a list of search results related to the Time Doctor application, which is a time tracking tool often used by businesses to monitor employee productivity. Now, from the search results, find the official website for Time Doctor. Typically, this should be the first result you see, or it will be the one that includes the URL timedoctor.com. Click on that link to access the Time Doctor homepage. Once you're on the Time Doctor site, you need to log into your account. Make sure you enter your login credentials. That is your email and password, accurately. If you're a manager or a user with appropriate permissions, you'll be able to make changes to the settings we're about to go over. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Settings section. You can usually find this in a drop-down menu or as a tab at the top of the page. Under Settings, look for the Users section. This is where you can manage preferences related to yourself and other users if you have administrative privileges. In the Users section, you'll notice a column specifically for screenshots. It should say Screenshots alongside a number of minutes. This figure indicates the default interval at which screenshots are taken during work sessions. To halt these automatic screenshots, locate the drop-down menu situated right beside this column. Click on the drop-down menu next to the screenshot column. You will find different interval options available to adjust. To completely disable auto screenshots, select the option labeled Off. Once this is selected, the application will no longer capture screenshots automatically, ensuring greater privacy and fewer distractions. This straightforward procedure effectively turns off the auto screenshots, and you're all set. Now you can carry on with your work without any further interruptions from snapshot captures. Hopefully, this tutorial has been clear and helpful in guiding you through disabling the auto screenshot feature in Time Doctor. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.